garden.
The garden, what one?
Great Dixter in East Sussex.
Oh, Great Dixter. Do you want to go?
Yeah.
Oh, you do want to go? Well, we could go, but is it worth the visit? I think one of the main features of the exotic garden here, and probably because it has been here so long, is the absolute is the height in it. I don't know if you can see that. Don't look up my nose. But it really makes you in the garden instead of being walking around the garden. You're actually walking in through the garden. So turn the camera around, have a look, and share the plants that they chose to put in here, which you'll see everywhere now. Really, you see everywhere. So first of all, you've got some hardy Japanese banana, the Musa Basju, and that's pretty much at full height, 3.5 meters tall at least get to. And you can see like this. These are pseudo stems, or the branch work here, because it's not really a trunk. It's just all the leaves wrapped up inside and coming up. And there's a baby one there and some dead trunks over there. But then we have had some very cold winters in the past couple of years. Oh, look that behind you, lovely Trachycarpus forternii. That's a big boy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's only 5 meters tall.
Yeah.
That's big for the UK.
Yeah, love it.
But I never understood, in a lot of these gardens they put in some conifers. Now some I think work. You've got a cedar, presumably Deodora I imagine, which is a beautiful tree, and you've got a lovely blue colour, but is that appropriate for a tropical garden? Tropical effect garden?
They've done it at Wisley, done it here.
Yeah, but did it work at Wisley?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing.
Alright, okay. Pop quiz, what's that?
Tetrapanax T-Rex.
Oh yeah, you know your stuff, don't you? Okay, right, under flipping neck. Can you get through?
Hello. Wow.
There you go. Got a ginkgo biloba there.
Yeah.
A genus of a single species.
This tulip tree?
It's a tulip tree, Liriodendron tulipifera.
Yeah.
Um,
It's got some big trees in here, which is amazing.
I do like the height of the cedars. I like the height of the Trachycarpus. So we've got a eucalyptus or something. Oh, look.
Oh, it's in flower.
It's in flower. Wow. I do like ours. I was hoping this year would be the first year, but it's not going to be.
I'll tell you what they did have in previous years that I've not seen any of, which is good, is the Pseudopanax ferox.
I think
The black
they have had
stick
that
ones,
here.
which kind of were here, but they always look like they're struggling.
They always look struggle, don't they?
The only place I've ever seen them actually established a little bit is at Wisley by the big glass house.
Yeah.
And that's the only time I've kind of seen that they're kind of okay-ish. But I haven't come across them yet, but they used to always have them in here.
Well, I've never seen that. I got Catalpa. Sorry, did I slap you in the face with a stick?
Yeah, that's fine. I need to.
Yeah, Cordline, not a true palm. Cordline australis. Oh, there's a cryptomera behind that. Actually, that's quite
It's
pretty.
good, isn't it?
And of course, the problem with these exotic gardens is there is not a lot of flower in these. And the best one we've seen for early flowering is Arundel Castle Gardens. That is an excellent one. So, but we can see they started putting in some poppies.
I like these.
What's that, gladioli?
I'm not sure what these are.
I can tell it's got a Plectranthus
You could
kind
have
of
this
a
in an
leaf.
Alice in Wonderland garden. It just feels like you've shrunk. It's amazing.
Another cryptomera behind you. They got this. Is that the same one, obviously?
They have, yeah. It's lovely.
Yeah. Well, I think one thing they're missing is plant names, plant labels on the plants.
Oh, this one's lovely.
Roses. Oh look, that's
The scent
there's
is
a
gorgeous.
big sedgeweed there. Now, do you think they left that on purpose for its ornamental look, or I wouldn't
I don't like
put that
it.
in
I
there?
just find
There's
them
another
weird.
one here. Some roses. Okay. The path you can't actually get down, so that's not so good.
Oh, it's completely blocked
I don't like roses in here. Well, saying that,
I think they look great.
I've put
actually
roses
like
in our
them.
garden.
I think they look really nice.
I think these look more two
smell
cottage
amazing.
garden. I think you could have roses in there, but I don't think this is the right one.
I love it. It's really good. Yeah.
Oh, another massive sedgeweed.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan. Just have a look down here.
And another catalpa. Right, oof, flipping it, mind your head. Health and safety.
Oh, it's nice.
Ooh, it is
Yeah,
nice.
That's lovely, isn't it?
It's a rhododendron.
So soft. So velvety.
No, that is very nice.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
More your
That's scary.
Yeah.
And the old obligatory Fatsia spider's
Hey.
web.
Of course. It's amazing.
So, you know, it's not a massive garden, so we've seen probably everything of interest in here. So what do you think? Is it excellent, groundbreaking? Do you like it? Or have you gone off it a bit? Is it as good as you were expecting it?
I've gone off it a bit. I know. I'm a bit disappointed in it. I'm sure I've seen this garden much better, much more contrast, much more purple persicaria, much of this pseudopanic ferox, just more contrast. Maybe because it's grown up, it's a bit more shady, but I don't like the sedges in it. I consider them a weed. I think there could be a little bit more variety in here. I don't find it as good as I've seen it previously. Sorry.
I think it's been allowed to do its thing. I don't think it's been managed. Oh,
There it is. Found it.
oh, there you go.
Okay. It's there. It's just really
Pseudopanax. And it looks really good actually.
It does look
Yeah,
good.
it's not. You tend to get the leaves sort of like to drop down.
Yeah.
But that looks great. And it's an old one. Look at the size of the trunk on that.
I told
Massive.
you back, I found it.
There you go.
Still.
I do still like it. I don't think it looks as good as it has done in the past. I do think it's inspiring. I think the original idea was absolutely fantastic. But I feel it's kind of lost its way a bit. I think it needs to be. Someone needs to go through it, take it back to the main planting, and then start Yeah, because
I mean, it's a bit sparse.
there was Lorna. There was loads more stuff in the borders last time, wasn't there? You're not in the
Yeah.
picture. Either.
Hello.
Yeah, there's a lot of underplanting of more unusual plants. I believe,
Yeah,
in
it
the
is. You
past.
just turn around here. There's nothing here in this border. It's really clear.
Yeah,
So
it's
I
been emptied
just-
a bit.
Yeah, compared to the rest of the gardens, where it's all packed in, jam packed. It's a little bit sparse. Maybe because it's a bit shady.
Right, okay, well we will leave it there. So that is Great Dixter Tropical Effect Garden. It's still great to look at. It's not as good as it has been. I think it needs to have some work on it to improve it, because it is it's a key garden in this whole sort of planting area. But anyway, if you've got anything you'd like to add, anything you'd like to comment on, put it in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Well, if you enjoyed that, we've got plenty more videos for you to look at. Just have a quick search into our video library. Otherwise, you can check on this one here. And if that's not your cup of tea, try that one there. Enjoy these while I've still got the energy to do them.